Hey everybody, this is Nemo and welcome to another great PrestaShop video tutorial. So as you might know, PrestaShop 1.5.5 came out last week, and of course it has many bug fixes, etc. But the main new addition is a really huge improvement to the carrier creation system, which is what we will see in today's video. So up till now, to create a new carrier, we would have had, for example, in 1.5.4, to go to shipping, carriers, and then add the carrier separately, and then price ranges, weight ranges, and oh boy, I just give up. That's what many people thought, probably. So finally, the PrestaShop team has come up with a decent carrier creation system, which is a sort of carrier creation wizard. So let's see how it works. As soon as I hover on the shipping menu item, you can see the sub-menu is slimmer and it probably went on a diet and halved its weight. So let's click on carriers. This looks exactly as before, so I will click add new. And who? So, well, this is all new, isn't it? Let's start adding information. If I were to click next before adding all the required information, I simply couldn't proceed. So I will set up a carrier name, my new carrier, and transit time delivery next hour, super fast. 9 as speed grade. I won't add in a logo or tracking URL, and I will click next. So shipping, locations, and costs. This is where the whole newly improved system comes into place. You can easily set up fees based on the card's total weight or price from this page. So first, you can choose whether or not to apply the shipping and handling costs from the preferences. And now let me just show you where you can set them up here. As before, actually this is the very same page as it was before. Then you can choose if you want to apply the product specific shipping cost. And finally, if you want to bill according to the cart's price or weight, as I said. And of course, then you can define ranges. And of course, again, taxes, as we all used to do before. Now, if you're new to PrestaShop, here you can set up the exact price for each zone the carrier supports. Well, if you don't know what I'm talking about, have a look at my 101 series video on zones and countries and so. Now, check every zone you want to support with this. You want this carrier to support, or all if you want to support all of them. Just know that I came across a little bug here, so if I disable this and then re-enable it, it just doesn't work for some reason. So you will have to just switch this and to restore the whole thing. So this is a small bug. Hopefully it will be fixed soon. Now let's set up, for example, Europe. I will add a €2 fee for from 0 to 1 kilo, and then I will add a new range from 1 kilo to 2 kilos and €4. As before, you can choose what this carrier has to do for the out of range situations. So in this case, I will simply disable the carrier. Just be sure you set up these zones and out of range behaviors correctly, because otherwise people will simply not be able to check out if you ship your products. So just know this. Then click next, and you should be familiar with this. You can basically set up the maximum package size and weight this carrier supports and the group access. So nothing special to do here. I will click next. This is a kind of a summary of what a carrier does. You can see the carrier name. Since this carrier has a price, it's not free. It's telling you it's not free, and it's telling you when it delivers, weight ranges, what it bills according to, etc. Just be sure the status is enabled and then click finish. and it's done. And this is all you have to do now to create a new carrier in PrestaShop. If I go to the checkout page, you can see my new bulk carrier has been added. So, isn't it a great improvement? Yes, it is, at least for me. We will not ever need to do this boring stuff anymore. So, thank you, PrestaShop. Thank you, PrestaShop team. Okay, this is everything for today's video. As always, if you have other questions, feel free to contact me at nemo@nemops.com. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.